Natural light can completely transform the feel of a home. In Farmington Hills, where seasonal changes affect daylight hours, the right window installation can make your living spaces brighter, more energy efficient, and more inviting year-round. Whether you're remodeling or upgrading, expert window installation ensures you capture as much sunlight as possible while maintaining comfort and style. Why natural light matters. Natural light doesn't just make rooms look better, it can improve your quality of life. Sunlight boosts mood, supports better sleep patterns, and even reduces the need for artificial lighting, lowering energy bills. In Farmington Hills, winters can feel long and gray, so maximizing daylight can make your home feel warmer and more welcoming. Choosing the right windows for maximum light. Not all windows are created equal when it comes to light. Strategic selection can dramatically increase brightness in your home. Picture windows, large, fixed panes that offer unobstructed views and flood rooms with sunlight. Bay or bow windows, curved or angled designs that extend outward, capturing light from multiple angles. Casement windows, hinged to open wide, they let in both sunlight and fresh air. Sliding windows, great for wider openings, allowing more daylight without sacrificing wall space. An expert installer will help you match window styles to your home's architecture and orientation, ensuring you get maximum benefit from the sun's path. Professional installation. The key to performance. Even the highest quality windows won't deliver optimal results without expert installation. Professionals ensure precise measurements. Custom fitting prevents gaps that can reduce energy efficiency. Optimal placement. Installers can recommend window positions that capture the most sunlight while controlling glare. Energy efficiency. Proper sealing and insulation reduce heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. Compliance with local codes. Farmington Hills regulations and building codes are followed for safety and longevity. Design tips for enhancing natural light. Once your windows are installed, a few interior design choices can further maximize daylight. Use light colors. Pale walls and ceilings reflect light throughout the room. Minimal window coverings. Sheer curtains or blinds allow sunlight in while providing privacy. Strategic mirrors. Placing mirrors opposite windows bounces light deeper into your home. Open layouts. Removing unnecessary partitions allows light to flow freely between rooms. Energy savings and comfort. Modern windows offer features like low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and insulated frames. These improvements allow you to enjoy abundant light without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. In Farmington Hills, where summers can be warm and winters chilly, the right windows balance natural light with insulation, keeping energy costs in check. Working with a local expert. Hiring a Farmington Hills window installation specialist gives you an advantage. Local experts understand the area's climate, architectural styles, and permit requirements. They can suggest the best materials and designs for both aesthetics and performance, ensuring your investment adds value to your home. Final thoughts. Maximizing natural light isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a healthier, happier, and more energy-efficient living environment. With expert window installation in Farmington Hills, you can enjoy brighter rooms, lower energy bills, and an elevated sense of comfort all year long. Whether you're replacing old windows or designing a new space, working with professionals ensures you get the perfect combination of style, durability, and sunlight. Your home and your mood will thank you.